Hi YouTube family, we are back on YouTube and after doing hundreds of AI data analysis and automation projects in 2024, we are here to share all of that crux with you. If you want to grow your business with the help of AI and data analysis, then this channel is for you. We will be covering everything related to data analysis, everything related to visualization tools, dashboards, analysis, and automation. In next few videos, we will be covering how we can create meeting booking agent. Your customers will call on your number and AI agent will pick the call. It will book the meeting for you. It will answer general FAQs related to your business, and it will also take the orders for you. How we can update our CRM using an AI agent, how we can synchronize two of our CRM. For example, your one team, marketing team is using one CRM, your operational team is using a second CRM, how we can integrate that, any anomaly detection project. You get thousands of CVs, you want to create AI based interviews, all of that is possible. You give a video of a match and AI will analyze that video for you and tell you about and give you the analysis of the video for that very particular application. Either it could be a cricket match, a football match. You get reviews in multiple language and you want to do the sentiment analysis. Chatbots, AI agents, how we can integrate the chatbots with WhatsApp and social media, AI calling for lead generation. If you have all of your leads data in Excel or Google Sheet, how we can use an AI cold caller to generate the leads and to qualify the leads. How we can generate our social media content and post it on all of our social media platforms using AI, and a lot of other projects. If you want to learn all of it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be sharing business workflows, guides, and all that. Tell me in the comments what you want to see first from these or any other problem in your business that you want to automate. Let's meet in the next video.